Hello pretty lady, hello YouTube. My name is Bekkyshow. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If today's your first time of seeing my video on YouTube, you are highly welcome to this channel. Okay, you might be wondering, what is she talking about? What is this channel is all about? This channel is all about home remedy. How you can use home remedy to take care of your skin. How you can use part of home remedy to light yourself instead of you buying bleaching cream. Get all this home remedy with low cost, okay? Better than for you to spend fortune and you don't get anything. So in this channel we are talking about home remedy, how you can use home remedy to take care of yourself, to take care of your skin, to take care of your husband. And if you are not too sure about what I'm talking about here, please go to my playlist and you will find more of my video. Please watch them one by one and you will know what I'm talking about in this platform, okay? And if you want to really know more about Becky, go to my about, click on it, about, and you will know more about Becky. Okay guys, then if you like this channel, please consider yourself to subscribe to my channel. Share my video to your friend, share my video to your neighbor, to your family. This my video, help them, okay guys? And in today's video I'm going to be talking about all 2 home remedies that we can use for our scalp, that we can use to grow our hair, and to use them then our hair will not stop growing. If you have a dry scalp like me, this home remedy will be okay for you. What I'm talking about, I'm talking about coconut oil and black seed oil. And we need 2 vitamin A. As we all know that vitamin A is good for our skin, for our scalp. Even some people swallow it. Even I use it sometimes, you know. You guys to my kitchen where I'm going to demonstrate how we are going to be using these 2 home remedy for our scalp. Please don't skip any of this video, okay? If this video, if it's too boring, please leave comments below. Let me know I want to know what you people you are thinking. I want to know what you people you are thinking about my video. What you guys you want Bekkyshow to be showing. I want to know. I want to know your thoughts. I don't know what you guys you are thinking. I don't know. Please guys, talk to me guys. Leave comments below. I will get back to you guys. Let's go. Oh guys, welcome to my kitchen. And please guys, let's go straight to the point. And you need coconut oil, homemade coconut oil. Okay, this is organic. I'll make a video how you can make your own organic coconut oil. Okay, this size is made out of 2 raw coconut. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how you can make it step by step, but in today's video I'm going to demonstrate how you are going to mix coconut with other oil to grow your hair. Coconut oil is rich in antioxidants and has antiviral, antifungal and antibacterial property. When used on hair, it provides scalp health, fights infection, hair growth, all while hiding volume and shine without the common harmful. Okay, I'm going to be using Jamaica black castor oil. Okay guys, Jamaica increase blood flow to the scalp, supply valuable nutrients to hair follicle. Jamaica black seed oil, it will also prevent hair breakage, dandruff. We also need black seed oil. Okay guys, so we need black seed oil, and the black seed oil also contain anti-inflammatory, antioxidants, antifungals, antiviral, antibacterial. Black seed oil for hair, amazing. It's amazing for your hair. Black seed oil for healthy scalp and dandruff treatments. Okay, black seed oil for alopecia, black seed oil for beauty, for your beauty hair. Black seed oil reduce gray hair. Black seed oil balance the hair natural oil. Okay, black seed oil reduce breakage from your hair. Black seed oil is a natural free stamina. Okay guys, so black seed oil is good for our scalp. It makes our hair grow without stop. It stops all the breakage from our scalp, from our hair. It give our hair a bouncy full volume, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be mixing them together. That's the one that I've already used. So it's coconut oil, so I don't need coconut oil. So this is coconut oil, the one I've already used, so I don't want to waste that. So you need a tablespoon of coconut oil. I've already have that already anyway. So we need Jamaica black seed oil. Okay guys, so you will know what you want. You will surely know the amount that is good for your hair. Like I said, this is just a demonstration. Okay, so you're gonna mix them together, so you will know the consistency that is okay for your hair. Okay, I don't like microwave this because there's no point for me to microwave it. So guys, I'm going to top a tiny bit of my black seed oil. Okay, so believe me guys, you are not going to use all this in a day. This can last you for another 2 days. Okay, so you just need half teaspoon of black seed oil guys, and you continue to mix them until you get a fine smooth. Okay, and as you can see, it's smooth. So never mind all the nuts inside, never mind those ones. Okay, I don't like microwave them, as like I said, there's no point. So guys, you can see, so you massage this to the root of your hair day and night, especially when you are going to bed. If you are the type of person like me that like wearing a wig, massage it into your hair in the morning. Okay, before going to work or before your daily routine, just make sure you massage it to the temple of your head where you have a problem of falling or is weak, and it's good to prevent a gray hair. It will make your hair dark and smooth and shine and bounce, and it will increase the volume of your hair. The tip of your finger like this, and you continue to massage it in any area that you really want hair. You keep massage it like this at least for 2 minutes, then you go to another spot. You keep distribute it to under your scalp, to the scalp of your hair. You keep massage it. You take your time, you keep massaging it, and that's it. You don't need to rinse it, you don't need to wash, just leave it, because if you have a dry scalp like me, you don't just need to rinse it, just leave it, and this will beautify and grow your hair for you and prevent it from falling. Watching my video, please help me to thank you for watching guys. If this is your first time of seeing my YouTube, please consider yourself to subscribe to my YouTube. So guys, I will leave you with this. Stay blessed. Bye for now.